Today, we're checking out a new brand to the House of Rags. It is Luminous, and I got my man Joel here. We've been cleaning stuff all week. Now it's time to get down and dirty in the interior. I'm talking interior cleaner Blanc, and I'm talking glass cleaner Shine. You can see how much we've used. It's been our glass cleaner of choice all freaking week. It is amazing. That'll be the end today. We're gonna mostly focus on the Blanc Pure Interior Cleaner. It's an allergy-free interior cleaner. They even list all the nice ingredients on the back of the bottle so you can check it out. Make sure it's all, you're allergy free, that kind of deal. They even recommend it for baby car seats. Like you can clean pretty much anything. You're gonna be good to go, but of course they got the ingredients on the back for you to check. And there's a secret power to this. It has a hydrating effect. So we've been getting some feedback that kind of right after they clean, they notice a little something is going on the surface, maybe a little weird to touch. That is the hydrating effect kind of soaking into the leathers, vinyls, plastics of the interior. We're gonna demonstrate that today. Actually, my brother here, Joel, is gonna demonstrate because there's no better way to learn than from the source, the man, the master detailer from Luminous, and one of the directors. He knows how to use these products to a T. So we're gonna get down and dirty today. First, we're gonna start out with carpets. Oh, by the way, Luminous has these crazy triggers that you can flip open for a normal spray pattern, or you can close for a foam. So we're gonna start with the carpets. We're gonna use the foam. We're gonna do some dry extraction, and we're gonna see this carpet's nasty. It's dirty. So, Joel?
Yep.
Take it away, sir. We have the cleaner, we have the brush, we have the microfiber. Let's clean just this section right here.
Yep.
And show him what it can do. He's gonna saturate our carpet brush. Look, that's not using much either. Look at that. Oh, yeah. So that Blanc interior cleaner, you see the lifting power that it has on the fibers. There's a lot of dust in this carpet. I hit it with the Tornador, gave it a light vacuum. So we're really testing Blanc out on its dry extraction ability. Always gonna go in with the sprayer for the edge here, get a deeper penetration. So the dry foam really sticks to the top of the surface. But when you have that deeper ingrained stain, you're definitely gonna wanna switch to the other trigger. And it's pretty simple as spray, agitate with your carpet brush. And you notice we're not even using a drill brush. We're letting the cleaner do a lot of the work here using our hands. And we come in with the microfiber edge towel, and we're gonna just soak it all up. Look at that. I'd say that's a pretty good 50-50 for you. On a quick demonstration, you can see all the dirt we extracted from the fibers to the microfiber towel doing its job. And Blanc has some amazing carpet lifting abilities. So there you go. Good job, Joel.
Yep, thank you.
There you go. So super powerful on the carpets. Great demonstration there. Let's move on to the plastics. So I know Joel, he loves a nice little soft detail brush. I'll have your towel right here.
Yep.
We're gonna do the leather and the vinyl kind of material right here on the door. And then we'll pull this and see the before and after. Blanc, sir.
Yep. Soft.
Sorry, this Idaho air has got me dried up, but here we go. Oh, Joel likes the foam for the vinyls too. I like that. I like that. So again, using the soft bristled brush, I know the internet's gonna say, why are you using the soft brush? It's because we're letting the interior cleaner do most of the work. And in Korea, they like to go to the gentlest approach first. So we're using the softest brush we have in the arsenal to do the job, agitate the surface, let the cleaner do the work, and we'll see our before and after results here in a minute. But pretty straightforward. You're gonna let this cleaner lift and emulsify the dirt and grime off the surface. He's gonna extract it with the microfiber towel. And you're gonna see all the dirt he's about to pull off on this microfiber towel. And then you'll also see the hydrating ability as it starts to soak into the plastics and the vinyl material. Boom. And Luminous has told me sometimes it'll take 5 to 10 minutes for that hydration to really soak into the plastic. You can pull it, Mr. Joel, and there you go. You're gonna see a nice definite line from the smudgy, greasy side to the now clean and hydrated side. And after, like I said, 5, 10 minutes, This is gonna soak into that plastic vinyl. We'll show you after shots once I come back through, kind of wipe everything down. And it's gonna look even better as we keep cleaning. Next, we got this, I don't know, probably fake leather steering wheel in this GMC, but we should see a good 50-50. He's going with the regular sprayer this time. And straight into the microfiber towel. I like it. I like it a lot. So we're going to soak our microfiber towel. And we're going to follow up with a light agitation to our steering wheel. So no steamers, nothing today. We're showing you just straightforward how easy and effective Blanc can do with just basic tools. The softest detail brush, just a microfiber towel. Anybody can use it. Again, allergy free. Leaves a nice, refreshing scent. Ooh, he's gonna pull the tape line. And you should be able to see Blanc did a great job of extracting the oils off that surface. I got the director, Sean, over here by me. He's touching the vinyl. Sean, is there a scent in Blanc?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Is there a scent smell?
Yeah.
What's the scent in Blanc?
Scent is musk, what kinds of musk? Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a musky, nice, it's refreshing to me, so I like it a lot. It leaves a nice scent behind. Joel's just going to town now. He's excited.
Yeah.
He's cleaning everything.
Yeah.
He's cleaning everything in sight. Nav screens, safe for nav screens, that's what he's showing you. All the buttons, safe for all interior surfaces. Can handle pretty much any job. As you see, that carpet was a pretty much disaster, just about level, and it easily extracted the dirt from it. And this truck's pretty dirty, so it's got a lot of oil, dirt and grime, contamination embedded into its surfaces, and Blanc's doing a fantastic job of extracting it. Obviously, no previous protection on this material or nothing. All right, now Joel's gonna do the leather seat in here. You can see it's all shiny. Guess what shiny leather is what? Dirty leather. So he's gonna do the 50-50, and we're gonna see if we can get a good 50-50 pull on dirty leather. Nothing better than a good 50-50 on dirty leather. So Sean, what is specifically Blanc? Why is it really good for leather cleaning?
Actually, the Blanc has moisture
Moisturizing.
ingredient.
It goes back to the moisturizing ingredient in
yeah.
it. So how is it moisturizing exactly?
You mean the
How's that work?
we one of the ingredients, all of the ingredients is EWG green 8.
Eco-friendly, green grade.
Yeah, and those are.
Look at that dirty pool. My goodness. So we're using the scrubber pad today, and it is extracting a whole lot of dirty out of this leather.
Those are used in the cosmetics.
Cosmetic grade. So this is cosmetic grade cleaner.
And one of the ingredients is for the moisture.
Moisture. So you're cleaning, you're rehydrating, it's penetrating the pores of the leather, extracting the oils, and then it's filling it with that hydrating ingredient. And that looks like a pretty good 50-50 from here. You can see shiny leather to back to matte, nice finish. And that was quick. That was quick, fast, and in a hurry. Oh, now he's gonna show us microfiber only, so no scrub pad. Let's see if it can clean and extract just as fast, just using a microfiber towel over just a scrub pad. Again, we're going back to basics here. No steamers, no aggressive brushes, letting the chemical do the work. Look at that. That is some extracting power from Blanc. Doesn't get more straightforward than spray white, and you're doing some deep cleaning. Back to matte. Wow. All right, so you saw the interior cleaner. It does an amazing job of cleaning with just microfiber towel, soft brush. It extracts the dirt, it emulsifies it, pulls it to the surface, whether it's carpet, whether it's leather, whether it's vinyls, plastics, and then it has that moisturizing effect. It's the double whammy. It's an incredible product. So 5-10 minutes, if you have certain vinyls, it may take 5-10 minutes for that to soak in, but it will dissipate, and you should be left with a nice, just smooth, dry surface that is now moisturized. Now, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite products I've been trying this week. Shine Glass Wash is crazy effective. So let's do it on this window. I got two different towels here. I got the Diva glass towel, and I have a classic waffle weave towel that could be coming soon to the House of Rags if you would hold this, sir. So Diva glass towel combined with Shine glass wash is as simple as spritz of glass wash, and then you take the scrubby side of your microfiber towel and you're going to box it in. The twist loop does the scrubbing, and then we flip over to that flat weave, tight weave side. High GSM, it's gonna absorb and straighten out any leftover smudging, streaking. Beautiful streak-free finish with Diva glass towel. Now I wanna get this shot, EC. Let's circle around to the front. I'm gonna talk to you through the front glass because, right here. So now we're cleaning the front windshield. Can you see the smudging, EC, and the haze and the fogginess? Because it's really fogged up back here. So what we're gonna do is scrub with the Diva glass towel, and then I'm gonna come in with the waffle weave towel as our buff elf towel for a streak-free finish. So Shine glass wash. Let's see the cleaning power. I'm gonna put some on our twist loops. And this windshield probably ain't been cleaned in a hot minute, so it's real bad. But you can see Shine just does an amazing job of flashing and cleaning. So boom, 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 switch to our waffle weave. It's nice and conformative, so I'm getting the cracks of, or the corners of our windshield really, really well. Not even using a reach and clean tool. And just like that, we cleaned a disaster windshield. I don't know if you can see the before over here, but it's all smudged up, looks terrible. And over here we have a much more clear finish very quickly with Shine. Joel said, wait, there's more. He wants to show you In Armor in the combination with Blanc. So after cleaning, they have this interior protective product. And it says nature coat. Oh, that probably means matte finish plastic coating. So he's gonna show you the power of cleaning, then protecting with In Armor. And In Armor also locks in the hydration effect from Blanc. So you're cleaning and hydrating, and then you're putting that top layer of a restoring protective finish with In Armor. In Armor is definitely only for plastics and vinyl of the interior coating. They have a separate protective product for the leather surfaces of the coating. So let's check out In Armor. So of course, first step, we're gonna clean with our Blanc interior cleaner. Massaging that into your surface that you're cleaning, the plastic and the vinyl. You wanna extract all that dirt out of the material, especially this textured plastic. You wanna get in there, let Blanc do its job of extracting. And it does a crazy, amazing job. Really, really nice. And you're gonna be left with a beautiful finish, but we're gonna even take that finish to another level by using In Armor today. So you can see the before and after, clean the dirty. And now we're gonna bust out the In Armor. It's real simple. You spray into a towel and you massage the chemical onto the surface. So Sean, how long is In Armor's durability?
3 months.
3 months. So you're gonna get 3 months of quality protection with In Armor. Sean, does it have UV protection? What protective properties are we getting by using In Armor? So In Armor protects us. As you can see, it restores the plastic back to kind of a factory finish. It traps in the moisture that Blanc supplied to the surface. It's given us an anti-static effect. Cleaning and maintenance is going to be super easy. Even a hydrophobic protection applied. That looks amazing. So there you go. That's a lethal combo from Luminous and our South Korean brand who flew all the way out to Pocatello. By the way, thank y'all so much. Yep. It's been a blast all week, and I've learned so much about this brand, and their passion for these products are unmatched, and the quality is just stupendous. So we're super excited about this brand. So there you go. Blanc, heavy hitting interior cleaner, allergy free. They don't hide nothing. Every single ingredient is listed on the back of the bottle. Eco-friendly, has a hydrating effect to the surface. In Armor, the plastic protective. And don't forget about that glass wash Shine. It is an amazing glass cleaner paired up with the Diva glass towel for a 1-2 heavy hitting knockout combo. There you go. That's Luminous. I appreciate y'all. This is the last video we're filming, so come in, okay. Sir. So So we got Mr. Joel, master director. We got Sean, the director. And it's been a fantastic week. What else? You got anything for the people on the way out about Luminous?
Thank you for watching our video, and please like and subscribe.
That's right.
Thank you.
And buy some Luminous, all right? Go check them out, all right? They're fantastic. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bye!